there's two ways here. I see liquidity down here, liquidity up there. This was broken and it looks like a retest. So anything that's sell setup underneath here will take it. Anything buy setup above this will take it to the upside. So choose which side you would like, or which side you are that gives you proper risk management, and take it. But this is the area where it will be decided. Either they're gonna target up or they will target low. Is it worth the target to trade the up move? It depends what kind of a trader you are. Is it worth to take a short to target these? Yeah, why not? If it confirms it. There's ways to confirm these. Would come to these areas before continuing. Apparently it doesn't want. So, but as I mentioned last week, we're looking for this move. So hopefully you guys, I'm not expecting the moon, but taking out these highs at least. Euro, the same concept, it's just the inverse. Correction, a drop, taking out this and these lows. Okay, if by any chance we have a very strong move to the downside on any pullback, we're gonna start looking for ourselves. The same thing for last week. We were trading this move. I was expecting correction continuation, but in our midweek sessions we changed our view and we started looking for ourselves starting from here and here. This I'm expecting a pullback, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, continuation of the down move. XRP, same thing like the rest of the crypto, looking for a pullback. This pullback can be just till here, guys, right? So have a setup, have identify your risk, how much you want to risk in this invalidity of that setup, and trade it. But basically I'm looking for more down move. Evening everyone, hope you had a great week, and the previous week you closed your week in a positive pips. Just checking some stuff out. We're doing this week session, Sunday session, a bit early because of the match, the Euro Cup. So if you're new to our channel, every Sunday we do our weekly view for the upcoming week. In our community, more than welcome to join. The link is in the description below. In our community we day trade. Most of the guys, including myself, I day trade between sessions. We do not hold or swing or take positions. We just day trade our setup, our familiar setups that we teach in our community. And it's a Discord community. We have our website where we update more than 32 pairs. The subscription, you can check them out on our website. The link is in the description below. Let's go ahead. As usually, we start with our indices. I always forget to open this thing. 1 second. There you go. This is key, right? Perfect. Let me see. There you go. Okay, so for the indices, we are looking continuation of the up move. I was expecting a deeper pullback, but we did not have that. Some of the guys traded the short, I traded the long. I always go less headache with the trend. I like to open a position and just leave it on going without thinking about it. But there's, at the end of the road, you trade the setup, and on every setup you should use your stop for the invalidity, right? So risk management for this one was around these areas. Continuation of the up for the upcoming week, looking continuation for the up, pullback, more up to come. So on any pullback, interested to buy. As I said before, we day trade. We do not swing. So if for some kind of reason, which I'm expecting, this, more than happy to take it in our midweek session that we do every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We update our watch list, our setups that we might have. We might take pre-London, pre-New York, potential setups with the guys. We point our view. The watch list is the following: majors, most of the yen pairs, commodities, indices. I cover most of them. I need to add them to this one. The indices are right here. We cover most of them, and most of the crypto on demand. So we add as we go. So if one of the guys is interested in one of a pair that is not there, he just say it, or she says it, and I do a full analysis, and we update them through during the week for potential tradable setups as a bear or as a bull. It depends on the chart. So you're more than welcome to join. So for the upcoming week for the indices, as we said, continuation for the up move. If this is gonna happen, most likely we'll take it on the second leg. We're expecting this one, but for the time being, we do not decide what the market is going to do. We just go with the flow. UK 100 FTSE, we're looking for more, breaking this high. If we're staying around these areas, most likely we'll take another buy. If we come back, as most of the guys know, we come back inside the box, we'll look for the short. But for the time being, we're still looking for continuation of the up move. DXY, beautiful run for the DXY. Now, are we gonna hit this area and continue the up move? That's scenario number one. Scenario number two is this one closing underneath here and continuing this move, breaking these lows. That's scenario number 2. So these are the two potential scenarios. Around Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll update our members for potential tradable setup. On which direction? Euro, same thing. Expecting a bounce and continuation of the down move, but there's a scenario where this will close above here and continuation of the up move. Also, we'll update it as we move on during the week, but these are the two potential trades or scenarios that have the higher probability. Pound, looking same thing. There's an order block around these areas for continuation of the down move. Break above this and holding above these areas most likely will target these highs. So let's see which direction we will be taking around Wednesday. UCAD, same thing. Target these, continue, or target these and continue the move down. Mr. Ahmed, how are you? NU, as you can see, we'll be looking for the following: closing above these areas, continuation of the up move, closing and coming back inside. We're looking for this. Same thing for the Aussie, targeting these, coming back inside like this, staying above here, targeting the highs. Let the market decide. Your job is to tag along. Silver, it's looking more to the downside after this correction, something like this. So if I want to trade that, we'll be looking for shorts. Gold, same concept, looking for something like this. I have an example for gold, something to give you a visual about what I'm expecting. Same thing like this one. It's a bit smaller. Down move, correction, drop. Down move, correction, drop. It's a bit almost the same concept, but you get the idea. This though is a completed wave, right? So oil, more up move, continuation of the up move. There's a sell setup around these areas. I'll be watching, but any potential retest of this will take it till here, potentially continuation of the up move. I will let the market decide, but I'll be looking for the buys. How far? There's a way we measure, but I'm looking for similar something like this to the up move. Is it gonna do something similar to this? Yes, maybe. We'll see. That's the sell setup I'm talking about. If it's gonna respect that, most likely it will sell off. And I will not sell from here. I will sell from here after it breaks this area. It will confirm the sell. Sorry about that. So my sell, I'll be looking for sell after breaking this low. UJ expecting a correction and continuation of the down move. This can be does something like this, then pump. It all depends what it needs to do. But these are the potential setups that I'll be looking at. Now this can do the following. This can do the following and sell from here. Any break, continuation of the up move. For time being, there's an area that will be watching. Continuation of the down move. Let's see which one is gonna play out. Euro yen, same thing. Looking for the following and drop. Crypto. We'll be looking for this retest of this area. Potentially one more up, 4 more down. So this is the range that we'll be trading in. You should know how to take profit either on the long or on the short. ETH, same thing. Looking for a retest for the lows. XRP, same concept like the rest. Hopefully that was helpful. Thank you all for joining. And if you would like me to check any uh, any chart that we did not cover, would be my pleasure to go over it. If not, have a great week. Enjoy the game. Hopefully both teams win, but it's impossible. One has to. But good luck for both. And hopefully we'll see you in our community. Don't forget to press the like and share. Thank you for attending.